In this guide, we'll walk you through how to add and set up a VPN on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. A VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network, encrypts your data and masks your IP address, helping protect your privacy online. Let's get started. First, go to the bottom of your screen, click the Start button, and open Settings. From there, select Network and Internet on the left-hand side, then click on VPN. In the top right corner, click Add VPN. If you already have VPN details, you can enter them here and complete the setup. If you don't have those details, don't worry, we can get a VPN another way. Click the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Microsoft Store. Open it, then search for VPN. You'll see a range of options, including both free and paid services. For this example, we'll use a free option like Hotspot Shield VPN. Click Get to download and install it. Once it's installed, click Open. Keep in mind that different VPN apps may look slightly different, but the basic process is similar. After opening the app, you may see options for a premium or basic plan. In this case, choose the basic option. Then click Connect, and the VPN will start. Once connected, you'll see your virtual IP address displayed. That's it, you're now using a VPN. You can browse as usual, and when you're done, simply return to the app and click Stop to disconnect. It's that simple.